When was the last time you gave yourself a review that actually mattered? Like you're waiting for the machine to tell you if you're a good boy, waiting for a bonus to decide if you are worth the air that you breathe. You have handed the keys to your self worth to a bloke in a suit who doesn't even know your kids' names. You're sitting in a glass box, heart rate spiking, praying for a meets expectation rating. It's a lie, mate. You're letting an HR spreadsheet dictate your value as a man. You're efficient for them, but you are empty for you. You're becoming your own man. You decide the metrics now. We track pride, not office approval. Before you shut the laptop today, rate your personal satisfaction from 1 to 10. Ignore your productivity. Did you actually show up for yourself? That is the only KPI that counts. Comment the word pride below to start rewriting the rules of your own life.